Let us now continue the discussion with excess vertebra. So it is the excess vertebra we are going to talk about. That's the second. This is excess vertebrae. About the excess vertebrae, what you need to understand, uh, it is almost similar in a structure with some minor differences. So centrum is absent here as well. Okay, let me try and draw the structure. Wait a minute, everyone. So a structure is pretty much same. The pretty much same. There is a minor differences. So what are these minor differences? I'll just talk about. So I told you now there is a process which is present. I mean to say there is a structure that is called odontoid process. This is called odontoid process. In some book you may also found dense, which is written. It is a peg-like structure, right? These are transfer processes. These are present transverse processes. Okay. We have, of course, this is neural spine. The only thing is that it is bifurcated, means it is bifurcated. You can understand what is the meaning of bifurcated. We have this is what, yes, what it is. It is central canal. It is also called as neural canal. It is present. Now, so this is a structure. Now it is also called as no bone. It is also known as no bone. And why it known as no bone? It is known as no bone because what it do? Yes, it helps in the no movement. You know this movement, so it helps in this no movement. I have a actually problem in my neck today, so so it helps in the no movement basically, right? So this is why it is called as what it is, no bone. Now let us try and see. So of course, pre and post zygapophysis are present. So this is, let's say, pre and post zygapophysis. Everything is present, just okay, let us now try and see that how this vertebrae articulates with the first vertebrae. Now can you see the diagram, please? This is a very beautiful diagram. I think we had discussed about it in the uh, earlier class as well. So we can see that it is the second cervical vertebrae. It is the second cervical vertebrae, that is called axis. You can see that it has this process, and this is called as odontoid process. This is called as odontoid process, and this is fit with the first cervical vertebrae. You can see, and of course everything is present here. You can see, and these openings are for the blood vessel, where you can see. So these openings are like for the blood vessels. Let us try and see this structure. So this is a structure of the excess vertebrae. You can see it is called dense. This is also called as odontoid process. It is also called as odontoid process. So it has transfer processes. You can see these are transfer foramen. These are for actually blood vessels, and this is bifurcated. A spinous process to the neural spine. We also call it as a spinous process. So this is neural canal, neural spine. Don't worry, it is also known as a spinous process. So not need to confuse. This is neural spine, and this is bifurcated. You can see now. This is like that. So this is bifurcated, and this is central canal elevates. So the structure is not much deviated from the typical vertebra. It has similar like that structure, just with minor differences. Central canal, centrum is absent, right? So this is a structure. Let us now see one more diagram. So again, it's a very beautiful diagram. You can see. So these are facet. This is a first vertebra. So this is for occipital condyle facet. Now let me label both occipital condyle facet. Of course, reduced transfer processes. It has reduced transverse processes, and this is neural canal. also called as central canal, right? This is odontoid canal, and done, right? This is the bifurcated. This is second now. This is bifurcated neural. Okay, let me write the second with another color. Let me write the about all this thing about the second vertebrae with another color. So this is bifurcated neural spine. Uh, this is dense. This is the second important thing that you should know only, right? And of course, everything it has. Okay. So everyone, I'm sure that you are understanding these lecture with very peaceful nature. All these lecture are free. Make sure. Okay. Up till now, which are uploaded on YouTube only, right? If you are getting these lectures on somewhere, so they may not be free, make sure, right? So about it, if you are getting these lectures on YouTube only, then these are free. The same lecture one or two may be present on our app as well, and don't think so that if you're paying for the app and if you're getting the same lecture over there, so few of the lecture which are being uploaded on the YouTube as well, they might be present on app. Okay, so they may count it as paid over there. I mean to say, on the app you may open some of the free lectures. That's it. So that is about the discussion. I hope you liked it, and I hope you understand it as well. Now in the next video, why in the next video? Let us continue with the same video. So let us try and finish. Let us talk about the seventh cervical vertebra. It is also atypical. So if I talk about the structure, do I have? No, I do have this thoracic vertebra. So about the cervical vertebra, seven cervical vertebra, everything is same. Just it has only, everything is same. So I'm writing it has neural spine is bifurcated. If I just try and show you the structure, so this is a structure. Let us try and show. So this is centrum now. This is neural canal, and this is transfer processes, pre-post zygophysis present. This is just a bifurcated neural canal. That's the seventh cervical vertebra. Let us talk about second to sixth. Typical. Okay, so this is the body. Again, the transfer processes, these are bifurcated. So here, bifurcated transfer processes are present. Everything else, like pre, post, zygophysis, everything is present, and it is bifurcated neural spine. This is centrum. This is neural canal. That's the only difference. So these are all cervical vertebra we have discussed. Cervical. Why do they call as cervical? Because they are present in the neck region. These lectures are, I'm sure, are very helpful for you. Make sure uh, try solve MCQs whenever you cover any chapter or any topic, right? You may get MCQs, of course, on the Google, or I'll also provide you if you want in the link, so you can let me know in the comment box if you want these MCQs, right? Try solve PYQs, try solve DPPs if you have. Do read NCRT. NCRT is must, right? Now, of course, we are making these videos in 2022, although, but the paper is consigned to NCRT only, right? We are not supposed to go a lot out from the NCRT, but still, I'm talking uh, the things at a good range, because if anyhow something has come from outside the NCRT, so you may not leave any questions. And of course, these videos are not only helpful to the students, these videos would be helpful to the teachers as well. These videos are helpful for all those students who are preparing for nursing entrance examination or any other biological entrance examination. So I hope everyone that you are liking these. If you do like these, then do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.